Good evening, everyone. How are you all? So, first of all, I would like to say, everyone, thank you for watching my Facebook Live all the time. So, thank you. I have been receiving a lot of messages. So, thank you so much for all these messages and thank you for all the credits. So, all the appreciations. Thank you so much. So this is Raja Mandal in front of you. I am a corporate trainer and motivational speaker and a life coach. So friends, today we are on volume 3, which is importance of goal setting. So we have been taking through a very important discussion, which is goal setting. The first, in volume 1, we have covered that why people don't have goal. The volume 2 says that mostly why goal fails. And today we will discuss on importance of goal setting in our life. So please alert yourself and please I would request you that please every slide is important, so you must concentrate on every slide. So दोस्तों आज मैं आपसे बात करना चाहता हूं कि इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ गोल सेटिंग. तो पहला तो है कि गोल सेटिंग क्यों करूं. सो दैट मस्ट बी सम मोटिव कि क्यों करूं. तो मैं आपको कवर किया हूं कि क्यों नहीं होते हैं गोल सेटिंग्स, क्यों फेल हो जाते हैं गोल सेटिंग्स. आज का इंपॉर्टेंट बहुत ज्यादा है, दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ गोल सेटिंग. अगर गोल हमारे साथ होंगे तो क्या क्या पॉजिटिविटी आ सकती है फ्रेंड्स. So this is very important, friends. So let's begin the session, and definitely, friends, I know you all are with me. So let's begin. So importance of goal setting. So if you have that importance, you know the importance. The first important of goal setting is you take control of your life. Friends, if you have the importance, you know the importance of goal setting, then definitely you have a full control on your life. You know that, you know where you have to go. You need not to ask a person that where this road leads to. No, you are equipped enough. आप जानते हो आप कहां पे जाना है, आप जानते हो आपका मंजिल कहां पे है. सो इंपॉर्टेंट ऑफ गोल सेटिंग, इट मींस दैट कि आपको मालूम है कि मेरे को कहां जाना है और आपको ये भी मालूम है कि ये जो गोल सेटिंग है इसका इंपॉर्टेंस क्या है. सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट दैट यू टेक कंट्रोल ऑफ योर लाइफ. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रेंड. हाँ, जब भी आपके पास इंपॉर्टेंस आ जाएंगे ना इसका, तो आप काम करोगे. अगर मैं आपको बोलूंगी इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ स्टडी, सो आपको मालूम हो जाएगा ना जिस दिन की इंपॉर्टेंस में क्या हो मिल सकता है. जो आपका वाई है, मैं इस दिन बताया था आपको, आपका वाई जितना स्ट्रांग होगा उतना आपका काम करने का मोटिव उतना अच्छा होगा. So importance of goal setting mein, the first point is that you take control of your life, because once you have this importance and you know the path, then definitely you can't be diverted yourself from one road to another road. Because that day I was telling you guys that people are intent to change by seeing others. We are not initiators, we are normally followers. So we always follow. But if you have this goal setting with you and you know the importance, then you have a full control of your life. So friends, let's begin to second slide. We will go. This is a very important slide. You must be knowing this slide. Huh? When Arjuna was asked or was told that what are you seeing? So Arjun ने कहा कि मेरे को बर्ड की आंख दिख रही है. He can see the only eye of the birds, of the bird. So he was told repeatedly that there would be a tree, there would be a leaves, and why you are looking at the eye? So Arjuna said, my target is to hit on the bird eye. It means that he was being asked that आपको क्या क्या दिख रहा है, आपको पेड़ दिख रहा है क्या? Arjuna said no, आपको क्या लिप्स दिख रहे हैं, पत्ते दिख रहे हैं? नो। आपको पूरा पेड़ दिख रहे हैं? नो। काफी चिड़िया हैं आपको दिख रहे हैं? नो। आपको क्या दिख रहा है? आपको सिर्फ एक बर्ड की एक जो आंख है वो दिख रही है फ्रेंड, और कुछ नहीं दिख रही है. सो लाइकवाइज द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ गोल सेटिंग, इट मीन्स दैट you are just like that. When you have a goal and you know the importance of goal and you have that passion to achieve it, then definitely you should not be diverted, and this goal setting will help you that you should not divert yourself. So this is very important part, that the second part of importance of goal setting means you focus on the important things. There is a call that prioritize your priority, but normally we don't obey this. A small thing could be in our priority, but we have to segregate. We have to make a plan that which one is more important, which one is less important, which one is lesser important, so that I should be focused on that. So this is very important. By this example, I wanted to elaborate you that like Arjuna, he was only one target. So my dear friend, we should be having only one target. That is, you must be very focused on the target. This is very important, that you focus on the important thing. Okay, so next, importance of goal setting. The third part is you will make good decisions. Yes, when you have a goal and when you know the importance of goal setting, then definitely you will make good decisions. Again, I will give you one example. एक बार क्या होता है कि अर्जुन और दुर्योधन दोनों कृष्ण के पास जाते हैं. सो दोनों ही कृष्ण को बोलते हैं कि आप मेरे साथ युद्ध, मेरे सपोर्ट में युद्ध करो. सो कृष्ण, एज ही वाज लविंग बोथ ऑफ देम, सो he resisted himself. He said that no, मैं आप लोगों के साथ नहीं लड़ सकता. तो somehow they made one conclusion, and Krishna said that okay, मैं एक आप लोगों को डिसीजन लेने के लिए छोड़ता हूं. तो I have a plan. So दुर्योधन और अर्जुन को उन्होंने कहा कि जो मुझे लेगा वो मेरे 10,000 सैन्य उसे नहीं मिलेंगे, और जो मेरे 10,000 सैन्य मिलेंगे उसे मैं नहीं, मैं किसी उस जो 10,000 सैन्य मिलेगा जिसको, वो मुझे नहीं ले सकता है. तो सडनली दुर्योधन ने सोचा कि कृष्णा को लेके क्या फायदा है, 10,000 सैन्य, 10,000 सोल्जर क्यों नहीं ले ले. तो वो गलती आप सबके सामने है कि जो दुर्योधन ने गलती किया है फ्रेंड्स, दैट इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. तो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, दैट इंपॉर्टेंट कौन सा डिसीजन मुझे कहां ले सकता है. सो मैं ये बोलना चाहता हूं कि व्हेन यू नो द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ गोल सेटिंग, यू विल मेक गुड डिसीजंस. आपकी डिसीजन मेकिंग बहुत अच्छे होंगे, क्योंकि आपको कोई डाइवर्ट नहीं कर सकता है. आपका लाइफ, यू विल बी फुल्ली फोकस ऑन योर वर्क. So this is very important. You will make your own decision. So friends, आप समझ पा रहे हो, this is very important जो मैं आपको बोलना चाह रहा हूं, कि अगर इंपॉर्टेंस होंगे आपके, तो आपके सामने रास्ते भी क्लियर होंगे. You can finish the task efficiently. Yes, when you have a goal, when you have a GPS, when you have a roadmap, when you have a plan, when you write the thing, then definitely every day you can see your improvement. You can notice your improvement. So automatically you can finish the task efficiently, because this is very important. When we have a plan, so goal setting is all about plan. So when you have a plan, definitely you must be segregated. So this is very important, that importance of goal setting, it means you can finish the task efficiently. आपको मालूम है कि टाइम मैनेजमेंट, आपको मालूम है कि prioritize your priorities. So this is very important, that you can finish the task efficiently. You will be self-confident and enthusiastic. Friends, जब आपकी कुछ चीज आपको मालूम होता है ना कि वो हो रहा है, और when you gauge yourself, when you are you measure yourself, your improvement part, so we feel enthusiastic, we feel self confident. This is very important. मैं अगर आपको बोलूं कि मैं प्लान कर रहा हूं कि मेरे को 20 kg कमाना है, so I must be having some plan. Every month I must plan according to, and we have to work according to. Like अगर आपका प्लान फर्स्ट मंथ में आपको अकम्प्लिश दिखता है कि जितना मैं प्लान किया हूं, मतलब एक लॉन्ग टर्म एक शॉर्ट टर्म, तो शॉर्ट टर्म अगर प्लान आपको एग्जीक्यूट दिख रहा है कि मैं कर पा रहा हूं, तो इट गिव्स यू मोर वेटेज, इट गिव्स यू लॉट ऑफ confidence, and you become more enthusiastic towards life. So this is very important, friend. When we have to, first of all, we have to write the things. So every day when you calculate your measurement, when you measure your productivity, when you measure your action, then automatically, if your action goes in positive way, then definitely that gives you some confidence, self-confident and enthusiastic. You will make progress. Yes, my dear friend. When you have a plan, when you know the importance of goal setting, then every day you can measure, as I told you, every day you can measure and you can rate yourself whether this is the right way to progress yourself, or you need more weightage on giving the things, or you need more practice on the thing. So you can make a graph. This is your graph and your graph is in front of you, so that you can understand that where you are and how much you need to improve your part, and everything is crystal and clear in front of you. So importance of goal setting, no, you will make progress in your life. So you can make your own graph, you can make your own achievement and your progression. So definitely this will help you to improve your self-confidence, and definitely you will be enthusiastic. Yes, my dear friends. You are closer to success. Yes, my dear friend, you come to know that how far you from the success. This is the great thing, my dear friend. We are here haywire. We don't know where I will get the success. But if you have a goal, if you have a plan, then definitely you know that where are you, and you come to know that how far the success from you. So this is very important. When you know and when you see our success, and when we know our destination, then इससे अच्छा क्या हो सकता है? So this is very important, that you are closer to success. When you have this important, when you know the importance of goal setting, you achieve your goal faster. Definitely, you must be knowing that the difference between time and timing. If you know this time and timing, then this is important. So I want to elaborate these differences. My dear friend, time means this is fixed. Morning, afternoon, evening, night. So this is fixed. Whether you enjoy in this time or whether you work in this time or not, but this is fixed. But you have to work on time. You have to work on timing. Now I'll tell you the timing. Timing means, suppose something has happened to your friend. You dragged him to the hospital, and doctor said, after taking some time, doctor came out and said that कि अगर आप उनको 5 मिनट पहले लाए होते तो हो सकता था उनकी जान बच जाती. Yes, my dear friend, this is called time. So हम लोग की जिंदगी में we have to focus on the timing part. Rather, time को हम छोड़ सकते हैं, लेकिन timing, क्योंकि आपका टाइमिंग डिसाइड करेगा you are in right time or not. क्योंकि टाइमिंग जो नॉर्मल फिक्स टाइम है वो आपको डिसाइड नहीं करेगा कि आप किस टाइम में क्या करो. योर टाइमिंग विल डिटरमाइन वेदर यू दिस टाइम इज राइट और रॉन्ग. मे बी उस डॉक्टर अगर आपको बोल दे कि यस, अगर आप 5 मिनट लेट करते तो आप इस पेशेंट को बचा नहीं पाते, सो यू फील गुड. So your timing was right. So this is very important. We must focus on the timing part. So when you focus on the timing part, then definitely you achieve your goal faster. And this comes under the importance of goal setting. Achieve your goal faster. People with a clear purpose are more successful. Those who are having a clear purpose of their life, they are more successful, friends. You become more healthy. Yes, this is something different, because when you feel good, then automatically that reacts in your body and you will look more healthy and more good and more enthusiastic. And definitely when you feed positivity, then automatically your body takes positivity and that will definitely come out. So you become more healthy, friends. And you be more happy. Yes, my dear friend, when you know that you are going to accomplish your goal, so definitely we would be happy, and you make others happy also. This is very important, that you be more happy and at the same time you make others happy, because people are there beside you, people are there, our parents are there, everybody is looking for you. But it's not like that they have some expectation. No, they have only one expectation, that you should live your life peacefully. You should not be haywire. So my dear friend, if you go through this and if you feel, this is very important, because if you take it as a lecture, then you put aside. But if you feel it, you will remember, because in volume 1, volume 2 and volume 3, I have been telling you that why goal is important for your life. And next volume 4, I will be telling you that what should be your goal. What is SMART goal? So definitely we will discuss on that part. So my dear friend, again I will say Tata, see you. आप लोग बहुत अच्छा से रहिए. Definitely thank you so much. Again बोलना चाहता हूँ आप लोगों का जो appreciation मुझे मिल रहा है, इसके लिए thank you. अगर आपको लगता है कि ये important है तो आप share कीजिए लोगों के साथ, और आप feel करोगे कि yes, हम लोग को share करना चाहिए. उससे क्या होता है, positivity share होती है. So thank you so much friends. फिर मिलेंगे आप सबके साथ एक नए मोड़ पे, आप सबके साथ मिलेंगे. So this is very important friends, that